Oh hey, didn't see you there.
We're working on today now.
Hey, good day, Fitzek. Today we're on Millennium Bridge in London, and I'm going to shoot an impossible hyperlapse. Impossible for me, because I'm not super tall. And if you want to get this hyperlapse that I'm getting today, you need to be about 70 centimeters taller than I am currently. So we're going to be using a combination of a monopod, a monitor, kindly provided by andycine, my S5 II, some clamps, and we're going to shoot a hyperlapse above the crowd towards St. Paul's, which I've been meaning to do for a very long time. Let's go.
Explain that again.
So the reason I've got this all set up is because obviously I could probably shoot about 10 frames with my hands extended, but then I can't see the image. With this HDMI cable to the ultra bright andycine and this wired remote, I can now use the level that's from the camera and the cross eye that is from the monitor to shoot above the crowd as we're moving forward. A shot that I've tried before while shooting through the crowd because I'm not the tallest person in the world, and this is the solution. So just like a stupid big extension of my whole kit, but I'm monitoring on this external monitor, which is great. So you know how a hyperlapse goes. You get yourself a subject, an anchor point on that subject, and a path to follow. Keep the camera level, keep the anchor point on the exact same spot for every photo. Shoot about 100 to 200 photos. Bob's your uncle. Vamos. 1, 2, 3.
Doing it already. I want you to start again.
I did arms at the gym this morning, and I mean I got pretty beefy arms, but that's not a great combo.
Tell me if I'm in it. Am I in it?
All good.
Great.
1, 2. I'll do a thumbnail as well. We'll do some stupid thumbnail faces later. Did you get that?
What did she say?
The whole bridge.
Oh, the whole bridge.
The whole bridge, every 2 steps. Oh hey, didn't see you there again. All that's left now is to load that sequence into After Effects and apply the warp stabilizer effect, and then maybe apply it again if you need to. You can also do this in DaVinci Resolve. I've got a bunch of videos up here. You can subscribe to my channel and get my free ebook as well to help you with all your time-lapse and hyperlapse needs. Any questions, drop them down below. Any video suggestions, drop them down below. Any critiques, keep it to yourself, I don't care. Thanks for tuning in. May the clouds forever be in your favor. Bye bye.